Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Beehiiv for newsletter growth promoted on LinkedIn. Complete guide step by step clearly. To start subscribing to Beehiiv, navigate to the official Beehiiv website. Once you arrive at the home page, look for the Get Started button. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Next, create a password for your new account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the following field. After filling out the required information, click on the Sign Up button. You will receive a confirmation email from Beehiiv. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation email. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log into Beehiiv using your email and password. Now that you're logged in, you can set up your newsletter. Go to the dashboard and select the New Newsletter option. You will be prompted to enter the name of your newsletter. Choose a name that reflects your content and audience. Next, write a brief description of your newsletter's purpose. Make sure the description is clear and concise. Select the frequency at which you plan to send your newsletter. Choose options like weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You can now customize the design of your newsletter. Explore various template options to find one that suits your brand. Add your logo and adjust colors to match your branding. After personalizing the design, proceed to the content section. Create engaging content that will resonate with your audience. Include sections like articles, tips, or featured updates. Ensure your content is well structured and easy to read. Once your content is ready, preview your newsletter. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.